Hi, my name's Darren Faulkner of Faulkner & Sons Electrical Services. In this video, I will show you step by step how to professionally install the Osram Linear Light Flex Diffuse top and side modules. This is one of 3 videos in a detailed series that shows and explains how to competently install Osram Linear Light Flex. This series also includes guides for installing Osram Linear Light Flex Protect, Diffuse and Osram Linear Light Flex Power, and the range of all the accessories. Before we get hands-on with the guide, let me spell out the benefits of Osram Linear Light Flex. Linear Light Flex Diffuse top and side are flexible and cuttable modules made from high-performance silicone. They are easy to mount using the extra strong adhesive tape on the back of the dedicated aluminium profiles and the mounting brackets. They're protected to IP66 and 67. They are suitable for outdoor use. They are dimmable down to 0.1%. They're versatile. You can run them up to 6 meters from one single power source. They're designed specifically for professional and industrial lighting applications. Linear Light Flex Diffuse is available in a range of color temperatures. Top admits 800 and 400 lumens per meter. The side version admits 600 and 400 lumens per meter. There are also monochrome versions available: blue, red, yellow, orange and green. Using Osram Linear Light Flex Diffuse top and side is simple, and I will now show you how to cut, connect and power it. In front of me I have a reel of top and a reel of side bend tape and the equipment we need. I have a knife. Using a knife ensures that the cut is accurate, as scissors tend to squash the silicone. We have the connector. It comes in 2 parts, the cage and the base. The base comes with a black band around to protect the pins. We have the end cap and the silicone. We also have the instructions for reference. It's also recommended to use a wrist earth strap to prevent any risk of static damaging the LEDs, and gloves to prevent finger grease transfer. All installations should be carried out without a power source being connected. First, let's cut the module. I recommend cutting off the length of the module you need from the reel so it doesn't pull on the end you're working on. To cut the module, score the white film and peel a section off to reveal the cut marks beneath. On the back of the tape, you will see the following: cutting marks, which indicate where the cut points are, the polarity, plus and minus symbols, and 2 triangles. These are key guides to tell you if the connector is mounted in the correct position. Align the knife with the scissor marks and cut in a smooth motion to prevent damage to the printed circuit board, or PCB, as I will call it from now on. If necessary, pull the film back further to attach the connectors. Insert the cage around the diffuse module. The middle of the cage should align with the 2 scissor marks. Then adjust the connector so the end aligns with the 2 triangles to get the very best connection of the 2 pins with the PCB. Now press down on the connector, take a note of the polarity. You should hear 2 clicks. This indicates that the connectors are attached to the PCB. It is essential to check the connector is within the triangular markings. This ensures you have a stable connection and the LEDs perform to the level of quality expected. A good connection will mean that you will not face issues further down the line. As I said previously, these are versatile and flexible modules. Both have a 100mm minimum bending radius. Please refer to the use instructions for further information. The top can only be bent in these directions. It cannot be twisted, pushed or pulled, otherwise you'll break the module and crack the copper inside. The side version can only be bent in these directions. Now let's apply the end cap to seal the cut parts. There are 2 end caps, one for the side version and one for the top version, as the shape of each module is different. To apply the silicone, place a line within the end cap. This ensures the exposed PCB is covered by the silicone. Remove the adhesive film on the base of the module. Apply the end cap to the cut part of the module. This is what it looks like when you're finished. As you've seen, the Osram Linear Light Flex Diffuse top and side are simple, easy to use modules with great potential for a wide range of installations. They are flexible and high quality. Handle them carefully and follow the tips shown, and you can confidently and professionally install them. Osram also supply a range of compatible 24-volt drivers and light management systems.